In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a raining money overlay effect in CapCut PC. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we want to do is open up CapCut, go ahead and click on New Project. And now import that video where you would like to add that raining money effect to. So I'm going to go ahead and click on import. Now from here, I'm going to use this video of this lady on a laptop overlooking the waterfront, and then I'm going to add the raining money overlay as well. So I'm going to click on open. So now I've got the video here, so I want to drag this to my timeline, and now I want to copy this video and paste it on the timeline. So now I've got two videos here, with the top one being the overlay. And now click on the top video, and on the right hand side under video we've got basic cutout. Click on the cutout tab, and now we want to click onto auto cutout. Only human figures can be automatically cut out, so just keep that in mind. If not, you've got to use customize, and you might need to use a pro version, smart brush or smart eraser to cut it out. If you want to check out CapCut Pro on a free 7-day trial, I will leave a link in the description below for you guys to have a suss. Alright, so now this is almost processed. Depending on how quick your machine is or your internet speed, should only take not that long if it's under 30 seconds. Alright, now that auto cutout is complete, and to double check that it worked, come back to the timeline, hide this bottom video, and as you can see, so it's done its thing like that. And now we want to add in this raining money overlay to this timeline. So we want to put it in between the two videos, and then scale this to make it as big to fit the screen. And if you want to get one of these raining money overlays, I'll show you where to get that from. Alright, so I'm over at pixabay.com, and they've got over 785 free falling money 4Ks. These are all copyright free too, so you won't get any copyright strikes if you use it on your videos. So yeah, you can have a look out and download any one for free. Just click on it and then go ahead and download, etc. Or the top here are sponsored, so you scroll down, you can grab this one. Got different ones as well. But in saying that, let's get back to CapCut here. Alright, so now we need to remove this green screen from the video. So click on the green raining money video, and then on video cutout, we want to click on the chroma key, and then where it says color picker, click on the pencil and click on the color like so. But as you can see, it didn't work. So we can fix that by changing the strength to around 5, 7 or 8. Just have a play around with that. So if I go ahead and press play, you can see the raining money effect in play here. And now because that green screen isn't probably the best one to use, so I'm going to change the strength to make it a little bit higher as well. But yeah, if you already got a green screen that's better than this one, for example, you probably don't even need to change the strength, and it just automatically remove that green screen.